Hi guys, in this video we bring you some very tragic news from the world of rugby. Fijian rugby star Josaia Raisuqe has sadly passed away after being struck by a train in France. The 29-year-old athlete was reportedly on or near the railway tracks when the high-speed train hit man. Authorities are still investigating how the there. Uh, Rescue was a well-known player in France rugby circles and had previously represented Fiji internationally. Has sudden death has shocked fans, teammates, and the entire rugby community. Tributes are pouring in from around the world as people remember him not only as powerful player but also as a beloved teammate. May the rest in peace. Stay tuned for more updates. So please subscribe our channel for more updates.